Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane. Postcode for your sat-nav's B495QD, and the contact number here is 01789 763432. I'm going to show you around this 2023 Swift Conqueror 480. It's a fantastic looking van. Let me show you around it if I may. Full width panoramic window, you've got the inset-free opening windows, and it's got the carbon effect high gloss finish to the gas locker lid. It's two colour. So you've got the grey and the white sides. This is not a decal, it's two colour. It's also GRP. Sides, roof, underside, making it really, really strong. Full cut diamond alloy wheels, making it full cut that way. Does come with a motor mover. One owner van from new. Come on in, let me show you around it. It's just arrived, it's in fantastic condition. You've got these high gloss overhead lockers. No curtains on the side, making it feel very uncluttered, extremely spacious. Opening roof light windows, you can see. Speaker system, loads of LED lighting. You can even adjust the brightness of those. Lots of scatter cushions. A front makes into single beds, two of, or a nice big double. It's got the wooden effect flooring, it's got tailored loose laid carpet mat set. This bit in the middle then opposite the kitchen, as soon as you walk in it's really low, making the whole van feel really, really spacious. It even comes with a little table, drinks cabinet, don't see those very often, kitchen extension, full cooker unit featuring the 3 gas and the electric hot plate, latest generation microwave, flatbed microwave, no dish, omni vent, solar panel, dual opening, left and right sided tall fridge freezer, so you don't have to get down on your hands and knees to access your provisions by the fridge. And then you've got this fantastic washroom across the back. It's got this huge roof light window, making it feel super bright, super airy. There you go, it's a quick show around this 2023 Swift Conqueror 480, available to view. Once again, it's Broadlane Alcester. We're about a 30-minute drive from the NEC Birmingham, and we would love to see you soon. Thanks so much indeed.